In this video, my Jeep is getting a slip yoke eliminator and brand new CV drive shafts front and rear. Then we'll be able to get rid of this transfer case drop, and we'll be able to put little puck spacers in the springs to lift it a little bit higher. First thing we need to do is drop the transfer case skid plate and get everything unhooked from it, get it drained, all of that so we can get ready to pull it out. Let's get started. All right, now all we've got is these 6 bolts around this big flange here, and then the transfer case comes right out. Now I can pull the transfer case apart and install all the new output pieces that make up the slip yoke eliminator kit. The transfer case is all back together with the slip yoke eliminator kit. Let's get it back in the Jeep and get some new drive shafts on there. All right, everything's been installed and the transfer case drop has been eliminated. Let's get it up on the lift and get those spacers on. All right, so I got those 3/4 inch spacers in there, so the Jeep is 3/4 of an inch taller than it used to be. I think it fills out the proportions just right. Thank you so much for watching. A lot of plans are changing, so stay tuned for whatever's coming next.